Display. The screen type. Resolution. The refresh rate. The pixel density. Brightness. The screen size. Screen to body ratio. Screen protection. The screen features. If you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Cover display. The screen type. Resolution. The pixel density. Brightness. The screen size. Screen protection. Hardware. Chipset. CPU. GPU. The RAM. The internal memory. The operating system. Camera. The main camera. Video camera. Camera features. Selfie camera. Selfie video. Selfie features. Battery. Battery capacity. Battery charging. The wireless charging. Reverse charging. Connections. Network. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. The NFC. The USB port. Features. Speakers. Fingerprint. The dust and water resistant. Sensors. Extra options. price. Design. Back material. Weight. Height. Width. The frame material. Thickness. Final result. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by hitting that like button. It really helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content, and we'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Your feedback means the world to us, and we're always looking to improve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.